Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm unboxing 2024 Panini Prizm hobby box. Its retail price is 90 USD, around 2700 NTD, and the grand prize is the signature of rookies, the style photo, and the comic graph. Based glitter, legendized, and orange seismic. Before the first pack, remember to like and subscribe to our channel, The Card Hunter. So let's begin. The first one is PJ Washington, Draymond Green, Trent Jackson Davis, Harrison Ingram, Tim Duncan, and Evan Bona, and Fred VanVleet, Green Sprinkle. That's cool, pretty cool, man. But it's not limited. And Stephen Curry, the dominant one. Curry, okay. And Tyrese Maxey and Bradley Beal. And the second pack, Jalen Johnson, Nicholas Batum, Buddy Hield, and Paul George, Julian Strawther, Tyron Solomon, the emerging one, Jalen Brunson, and Yao Ming, the legend, and the Green Sprinkle Shea Gilgeous-Alexander SGA. This one is pricey, bro. This one, and James Harden. Okay, the third pack: Darius Garland, Jonathan Kuminga, Reggie Jackson, Cason Wallace, Terrence Mann, Tari Eason, and Ivica Zubac, and Green Sprinkle Harrison Barnes, and Nikola Jokic, the Joker, the Global Reach Joker one. This one is special. The last one is Alexander Czar, Alexar, RC, Ayo Dosunmu, Tobias Harris, Gary Payton, that is Tyler Smith, red one, RC rookie card. Okay, Malik Beasley, and Devin Vassell, Caleb Martin, the green, and the dominant Luka Doncic, and Green Sprinkle Vince Carter. And the last one is Jusuf Nurkic. Is Arthur Thompson, Bojan Bogdanovic, Isaac Okoro, Darren Clingan, Kelly Oubre Jr., Dante DiVincenzo, Tyler Collock, and Kobe White. Also Green Sprinkle, Kobe White, and then Kobe Baskin. Okay. And the last one is Emergent Rookie Card Dalton Connect. And the last pack, final pack, Nickeil Alexander-Walker, Rudy Gobert, DeMar DeRozan, RC card Devin Carter, Ivica Zubac, Ben Simmons, and the dominant Edman, and Edwards, and then AJ Johnson, the rookie card, and Danny Avdia. And then the final one is, oh man, Daniel Gafford. Okay, so after all, the best one is the SGA one. Alright folks, that's all the video, so thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe. Thank you.